me ask you this question. How does a consumer know that they're working with a contractor that understands the ins and outs of the insurance?
Okay, well, if I were in any client's shoes today looking to hire a contractor, the first thing I would ask them to do is provide me with some pictures, photos, a couple of names of some customers, so that I would know, I would be able to see that they've done insurance related projects before. Because if they don't have that specific experience, you're probably not going to have as good of a result. The second thing I would look for is I want a contractor that's familiar with the Xactimate software program. That's the software program that insurance companies use to write estimates. You're able to work within what the adjuster's looking for. They're able to approve more of that than if you're just scribbling out an estimate on a sheet of paper.